It has been more than 2 years since NBA superstar Kobe Bryant, his 13-year-old daughter Gianna, and 7 others were killed in a helicopter crash. Now a lawsuit filed by Bryant's widow, that's Vanessa Bryant, has gone to trial in Los Angeles. She accuses police and firefighters of sharing graphic photos of the crash. Part of what her lawyer told the court was a culture of callousness. Our national correspondent Jericka Duncan has more on this story.
Years after L.A. County officials took pictures of victims' remains in the hills of Calabasas, California, including Kobe Bryant and his daughter Gianna, a trial centered on law enforcement's conduct is underway. Vanessa Bryant was visibly emotional during Wednesday's proceedings, crying frequently. In a dramatic opening statement, her attorney claimed law enforcement exploited the accident by taking and sharing pictures of Kobe and Gianna as souvenirs. Bryant's attorney also told jurors the photos were virtual gossip and played security video of an off-duty sheriff's deputy showing them to a bartender to support that claim. An attorney for the county said the footage marked a regrettable moment of weakness and said that site photography is an essential tool for first responders to share potentially life-saving information, though the sheriff previously admitted that deputies had no place to take photographs of Bryant's remains. Bryant's lawsuit alleges the photos circulated among 28 sheriff department devices and at least a dozen firefighters. But the county's attorney defended leadership's response, pointing out that the photos have never appeared publicly and calling it a function of how diligent authorities were. At the time, the sheriff contained the photo spread by making involved parties delete them rather than conducting a formal investigation. As a result, Bryant's attorney claimed photos could still be in circulation. Bryant voiced that concern last year in court documents, writing, "For the rest of my life, one of two things will happen. Either close-up photos of my husband's and daughter's bodies will go viral online, or I will continue to live in fear of that happening." For CBS Mornings, I'm Jericka Duncan.
Well, I hope those photos never become public. I think it's interesting that they said a regrettable moment of weakness. That doesn't make any sense to me.
It doesn't.
Doesn't
but the
make
word
any sense.
Callousness
Exactly.
is a perfect
and that's
word
what
for
that is.
situation.
And I think about Vanessa and her family now having to relive that as they're sitting in the courtroom talking about this again.
Especially in a day and age where one leaked photo can travel around the world just like that.
Just like that.
Yeah.